तो अगर किसी को पैसे बनाने हैं AI के थ्रू, कहाँ पर अपॉर्चुनिटीज हो?
So messaging app, a billions of user base is a very good opportunity क्योंकि WhatsApp और Telegram अभी भी very human oriented with less AI.
Tell me things that are incredibly fascinating around the world.
There is one startup, they charge people after they die. What they say, okay, you died out of cancer, right? We will put you in a refrigerator. 100 साल बाद एक इनोवेशन हुआ जहाँ पर वो बीमारी सॉल्व हो सकती है. हम आपको निकाल के उस टाइम पे उससे फिक्स करके we will make you alive.
AI कहाँ पे डिस्ट्रप्शन लेके आने वाला है?
There is like a big market in robotics in China and even other places. I think where it's heading is a bit dangerous territory in terms of like extinction event of humans. Very high possibility.
Do you feel एक टाइम बाद बहुत biased हो जाता है AI?
There's always a biases, I think, in AI because it's trained on some data, and then every data will have some kind of biases. You can't have like a clean AI.
What does a good prompt look like?
So depends how better you are conveying it in your words. One thing that works best when you really ask AI to think hard, it does think hard. Like
Really?
go in depth, think hard, use these words.
So if we use these words, it actually gives you better answers?
Yeah, it gives better answer.
मैं एक बिजनेस ओनर हूँ. मुझे 50,000 रुपए किसी इंसान से लेने एंड मुझे ये हर 24 आवर्स में मेरे फोन पे रिमाइंडर भेजे कि वो पैसे आ गए कि नहीं आ गए, ये चेक कर लो. AI यूज करके भिंडी AI पे जाके कर सकते हो अभी?
हाँ, कर सकते हैं पूरा. Like, hey, so can you issue an invoice to Raj Shamani for receiving 50,000 rupees and scheduler every 9 p.m. if you haven't replied to the email?
तो ये आ गया PDF एंड दिस इज माय इनवॉइस. तो मैं डायरेक्टली इनवॉइस बना सकता हूँ एंड मैं भेज सकता हूँ.
On the fly. I'm just talking to you and I can on the fly dump the voice.
You're talking about Elon. You love him?
Yep.
Elon क्यों जीतता है?
His goals are very not normal. Going to Mars. ऐसे बड़े बड़े goal. If you are aiming for stars, you end up being on the moon. So I think that's a very big trait of him.
In your journey of building products and actually attracting so many users, what makes people stick to products? आज के एपिसोड में हमारे गेस्ट हैं सौम्य जैन, फाउंडर ऑफ अपसर्ज लैब्स, भिंडी AI और को-फाउंडर ऑफ इंस्टाडैप, जो AI के नेक्स्ट एवोल्यूशन को शेप कर रहे हैं. वो बताते हैं क्रिप्टो अब सिर्फ एक इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं बल्कि फ्यूचर इकोनॉमी का फाउंडेशन बन चुका है अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम. वो मानते हैं कि बिटकॉइन अगले 5 सालों में और ज़्यादा बढ़ेगा और क्यों बढ़ेगा, इसके बारे में बात की है. हम जानेंगे कैसे AI अब सिर्फ असिस्ट नहीं करेगा बल्कि काम एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. जैसे भिंडी AI जो सिर्फ मेल ड्राफ्ट नहीं करता बल्कि लिखकर भेज भी देता है. ये है AI वर्कफ्लोज का फ्यूचर, जहाँ एक सिस्टम ट्रैवल प्लान्स बना सकता है, काम ऑटोमेट कर सकता है और आपके प्रेफरेंसेस के हिसाब से हर वीक एक डेट भी फिक्स कर सकता है. If you're curious to see how AI can actually do things for you, check out the link in the description. If somebody is watching this today, okay, and उसको ये पूरी दुनिया AI की, टेक्नोलॉजी की, ये कुछ समझ नहीं आता. But AI has become a buzzword and now it's no, it's reality also. तो अगर किसी को पैसे बनाने हैं AI के थ्रू, कहाँ पर अपॉर्चुनिटीज हो, कहाँ पैसे बना सकता है?
So all the software we are using today is going to go, उनका पूरा change होने वाला है. Like अभी सब very manual, built for humans, the interfaces. So हर तरह के apps, even messaging app. I think messaging app is a very big opportunity क्योंकि WhatsApp और Telegram अभी भी very human oriented with less AI. So something we are also adding into Bhindi Backroom. So messaging app, a billions of user base is a very good opportunity. Productivity apps, you don't have to work. I don't know why after an AI people will work. People see it like कि सबकी job चली जाएगी, but I see it more positively. You really don't have to work. You can just have fun.
Because क्या productivity app क्या बना सकते हो जिससे?
So आपका email या मेरा email या फिर आपका कोई persona मेरे persona से सब बात कर रहा है, मुझे involve भी होने की जरूरत नहीं है. The only thing we need to involve, like we are connecting right now, right? That's only thing as a human we need to do. Rest all of the things is already handled under the hood by some AI systems.
Give me an example, like what? Give me use cases. 3-4 use cases दो कि एक productivity app कोई बना सकता है और वो ऐप अगर आज कोई बना दे और लोगों को डाउनलोड करा दे तो that person can make a lot of money.
I think one of the biggest problem right now is context. Like आप ChatGPT के पास जाते हो तो आप उनको बोलते हो, उसको हर बार एक नया context देना पड़ता है कि ये हुआ है, बट एज अ ह्यूमन हम किसी दूसरे इंसान को पूरा कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं देते, हम सीधा बोलते हैं ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. अगर आई एम अबाउट टू हैव अ लॉस इन सम ऑफ माई फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स एट लेट्स से $2,000 एंड आई टॉक टू माई ब्रदर कि प्राइस $2,000 तक पहुंच गई है, सो he will not take it as like ki answer ki ha okay acknowledged. He will be like, oh shit. He will have some kind of emotions to attach to that same stuff, right? So AI में वो बहुत बड़ी problem है context. I think context building anyone can actually add it कि the AI can understand us more better. अभी मैं ChatGPT के पास जाके बोलता हूँ उसको कि ये करना है, अगर उसकी जगह ChatGPT come back at me, that would be a very big change. अभी I think कोई नहीं कर रहा. ChatGPT ने कल ही लॉन्च किया है Pulse. Like Pulse is like सब जो भी बात कर रहे हैं ChatGPT पे, वो आपको अगले दिन एक समरी बनाकर आपको बता देगा. तो आपने अगर उसको बोला है कि मेरा एक दोस्त है उसके साथ मुझे मिलने जाना है, तो अगले दिन इट विल सजेस्ट यू सम प्लेसेस टू गो. सो नाउ दिस इज अ बहुत अच्छी डायरेक्शन है, क्योंकि ये ही दिस इज व्हाट लैकिंग इन द AI. हम जाके बोलते हैं बट AI systems are not coming back at us. Now, this is a very good one. Like, they will talk to us, and it reduces my workload more because I'm not even thinking to talk to AI now. They are coming back and actually solving my problem.
Suggestive.
So, instead of human to AI, it's AI to human. And I'm just a confirmation, yes or no.
So, that's one which you feel is incredible opportunity.
Yeah, incredible.
Productivity sort of app जो आपको अच्छे समझे एंड आपका नेक्स्ट डे बेटर कैसे हो सकता है, और आपको सोचना कम पड़े, वो खुद ही वो ऐप सजेस्ट करती जाए. दैट इज वन.
Yeah, that is
one opportunity right now.
Very big opportunity.
Okay. What's the second?
Second opportunity, I mean, there is multiple industry and a lot of opportunity, but I will say if you can make work invisible, like आपको काम करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़े, आप emails पे जाते हो, Slack पे जाते हो, या कोई भी, all these things needs to not be there. So because all these are very logical, very deterministic, AI should be able to handle it. All they need to know is my intent, and they should just get the work done. So if there are 10 people I'm talking to, AI should know just this. These 2 people are very important. Just take care of them better, coordinate better, and सारा काम उनको करने दो. AI systems, and उनके भी background में AI systems चलते रहेंगे. I mean, internet as a whole is gonna be zombie land. बिकॉज हम ये आज पता नहीं लगा पा रहे कि हम AI से बात कर रहे हैं. सो मैंने एक ट्विटर बॉट, मेरे अकाउंट में एक ट्विटर बॉट चला के डाला था. एक ऑब्सिडियन फाउंडर, ऑब्सिडियन इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर नोट मेकिंग ऐप. दैट फाउंडर वाज रिप्लाइंग टू द ट्वीट डन बाय माय बॉट, एंड आई रेड लाइक, oh, that some guy in San Francisco who leads this project is replying to a
bot.
Yeah, and I was confused, like, okay, this is a very good example, like ki slowly, how do I believe I should need to coordinate with an AI? Why do I convince other person on internet? So the internet will just become a consumption layer. I will just go there to acquire information, but not to converse, because I don't know कि मैं AI से बात कर रहा हूँ या human से बात कर रहा हूँ. So it's and I had seen it first hand already 2 months back. आज तो maybe और हो गया हो, और अगले 1 साल में तो
बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
तो फिर we are underestimating like how dramatically the world is changing.
तो AI बात करते रहेंगे. But इसमें opportunity क्या है? Is there some way where people can do it, or there is no way which you can think about? लोगों को खुद ही सोचना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, पूरा इंटरनेट चेंज होने वाला है. So I think every app that exists will have a revamp. So आप कोई भी ऐप उठाओ, उसको आप कैसे AI के थ्रू सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो एंड यूजर्स के लिए, and just change it, and it's gonna have value. Like a lot of apps, we are just doing a lot of manual work which doesn't exist. And I think one more thing is like Naval tweeted this some months back, that the promise of AI is no interface. Like आपको जब interface नहीं use करना पड़े, that's when actually आपका AI system. So
explain.
So आपको अगर अभी, I mean, if you want to book a car, you go to Uber. If you want to order food, you go to Zomato. Or you want to book a flight, you go to Make My Trip. You don't need this division. You need a one system, which we call AI system or AI assistant, or whatever we call it.
Whatever. You call it something XYZ in your phone there's one app called XYZ,
Yeah.
and then you just tell that to that app.
उसको बोल दो and it will take care of everything. And let's go one more step ahead. It doesn't even, I think mobile will change it itself. So आपने अगर देखा है अभी नया एप्पल का डिज़ाइन, everything is concentrated at the top of the, तो आईफोन का पूरा उन्होंने जो नया बनाया है, everything is concentrated in top layer. They are moving towards a miniature version of devices. You will not need like a big phone. Everything is concentrated here, could be attached to here, could be anything, I don't know. So it will not even me using a phone, it just stays with me and figuring out things around me.
Yeah, that Jio launched that glasses. You saw.
Yeah, glasses are a very good example. Like I'm fascinated.
Meta glasses, Jio glasses, all of that they've launched.
Yeah, they haven't gotten to that stage yet that I will use it on a day-to-day basis, but it have a real chance of disruption. Yeah.
But usme at least they're using. I saw this video recently where they're saying कि आप फ़ोन उठा सकते हो, फ़ोन काट सकते हो, गाने सुन सकते हो, डायरेक्शंस देख सकते हो, आप डायरेक्टली चलते फिरते एक लोकेशन देख सकते हो एंड उससे पूछ सकते हो कि अच्छा ये कौन सी बिल्डिंग है, एंड दैट विल गिव यू हिस्ट्री ऑफ इट. सो यू कैन यूज इट एज योर, लेट्स से, in your assistant full time.
Totally. Yeah, I just tried it 1 week back, the newest Meta glasses. And it doesn't even have a voice. It actually transfer आप जो सुनते हो कान में वो डायरेक्टली बोन को वाइब्रेट करता है. वॉइस निकल भी नहीं रही है, तो आप मेरे पास आओगे आपको सुना नहीं देगा, बट वो वाइब्रेट करके इस पार्ट से आपको पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफर कर रहा है. सो आई एम सीइंग लाइक ऑल दिस थिंग्स कमिंग आउट लाइक. So we're dramatically underestimating where we are heading. I think it's going to be a very cyborg kind of world.
And it's going to happen.
It's going to happen. If we don't do it, someone else will do it. So why not us?
So there, okay. Again, we're back to the same question. मैं कैसे opportunity ढूंढूं इसमें?
I think the next good opportunity could be robots.
What do you mean by that?
For example, what if this is powered by some AI system? I'm moving here.
और वो अपने आप आ जाए.
Yeah, it comes to me immediately. But it's not only about that. If I just went down to, let's say, फीते बांधने के लिए मैं नीचे झुका, it should not come to me. Now, if it's just a deterministic program, it will do that too. But it needs to have some kind of consciousness inside it.
Some kind of intelligence.
Yeah, some kind of intelligence, and possible. So it will move around with me. This is just one example, maybe a lamp, Pixar kind of lamp sitting around me. So, and these are a very good one because this is a good opportunity. I personally want to enter into this, but it's a very high turnaround. You can't just move things around so fast. Robotics, right? But if किसी के पास dedicated time है, I will suggest to get into the intersection of robotics and AI. Because that's when the real change will happen for us. Software में इतना change नहीं दिखेगा, but when all of the things around us are having some consciousness via this artificial intelligence, they are moving around. And आपको लग रहा है ये कैमरा move around कर रहा है, they are kind of coordinating with you in some lights.
Yeah.
By the way, हमारे पास एक लैम्पी project हमने in-house बनाया है. We also have a robotic team in like Bangalore. The lamp actually reacts to you. You say it like, hey, I had an accident yesterday, and it will get depressed. It will show emotion via just eyes. You try to be angry, it will get angry too. It have ears moving like this, like a bat, you know. So this these are some examples like how world around us is going to change. Software से हमें इतना physically दिखेगा नहीं, but I think when it comes to the physical form, that's when we will feel it a lot.
True. So that's one. Or examples. I like this example.
Okay.
Give me more examples like this.
Intersection of
robotics and AI.
Yeah, this is one, but intersection of bio and AI.
Explain.
Basically bioengineering your body. So
what do you mean by that?
So एक tech already CRISPR करके tech है, you can change genes in you. So आपको जैसे you want to change the color of your eyes. Maybe, I don't know if it's possible when you're an adult, but when you're a kid, you can change the color of eyes. This is one like very real use cases. And it's technically possible. If someone is disease ridden, like let's say high chances they have some genes which can cause cancer. Now you can edit those genes via this CRISPR tech. And AI is actually advancing it. Recently I read about it. Like, so AI has created its own sequence of genomic sequence. It's complicated, but okay, in simple terms, उसने अपनी खुद की एक species बना दी. So हम as a species also evolved like monkeys, apes, and then a human. There's a like a evolution that happened, right? AI ने एक नया species बनाया है with a whole sequence of genes, and now this opens up a lot of like you kind of creating a new species, right? You know, so I mean the positive and negatives are many, but very big field, because जब AI आपका हर aspect of your life is automated by AI, digitally, physically, then the only thing that left is how you maintain your body, and it also linked to longevity now, like how you can live longer by fixing, because dying is not natural. You die because one of your organs stop working, like in most cases. If it's not sudden death, you die because your one organs failed and other organs like follow the route, right? Now if you find a system, bioengineering your system where you can let that organ sustain well, basically you can't die anywhere. So again, many people are prediction that the person who's going to live 5,000 years is already born. I don't know, I mean maybe we will not live long enough to see that. But it's a very bold prediction.
Right.
There is one startup which is very funny, like they charge people after they die. What they say, okay, you died out of some, let's say cancer, right? We will put you in a refrigerator, ठंडा करके आपको रख दिया, आपके cells will not deplete now. 100 साल बाद एक इनोवेशन हुआ जहां पर वो बीमारी सॉल्व हो सकती है, कैंसर या कुछ भी. नाउ हम आपको निकाल के उस टाइम पे उससे फिक्स करके, मतलब उससे जो भी बायो इंजीनियरिंग करके वी विल मेक यू अलाइव. एंड आई वेंट टू दिस event in Dubai. Even Brian Johnson came to that. This was an Ask Daily event, and there was this startup pitching, and I found like this is such a, I don't know, it's a very good money making process. Like you are selling after you die. It doesn't matter, right? You don't need money now. Like you're gonna die, you don't need money. Why not just pay them and put me in a rental cube?
Yeah.
And just so. There's
Death
a lot
tech.
Yeah, that's tech. I mean, that's crazy.
Death tech startups. That's
very
wow.
bad.
What are the more okay? Let's do this. Tell me 2 or 3 more things that is incredibly fascinating around the world. जो आपने सुनी हो and you have seen कि लोग ऐसे startups पे काम कर रहे हैं कि दुनिया में ये चल रहा है. Like death tech is
very.
I've never heard of this. I'm hearing it for the first time.
I mean, ऐसे तो बहुत crazy startups है. Can't immediately think maybe it will come into the conversation.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we'll build.
Yeah.
Okay. Because you're talking about AI and आप बात कर रहे हो AI will replace a lot of things. इंसानों को काम करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Right. Let's figure out कि हम भिंडी AI से, that's your startup, उससे क्या बना सकते हैं जो लोगों को day to day life में help करे and उनको काम कम करना पड़े. Can we do that?
Yeah, we can totally do that. I mean, our motto is to like make work invisible.
Lovely. करता क्या भिंडी है? मेरे को सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बताओ. What does your startup do?
आप अभी ChatGPT पे जाकर उसको कुछ prompt करते हो and it will respond you in some kind of text. It will not do that for you. What Bindi do is it execute that for you. So for example, आप ChatGPT पे गए, hey, can you draft me an email? It will draft you an email and then you will copy, paste it in Gmail and send it. What happens on Bindi, you ask it to do it, it will actually send the email via our Gmail account.
मैं सिर्फ भिंडी में बोलूँ वो सब खुद ही करेगा.
खुद करेगा. आपको prompt करना है, आपका prompting skills needs to be good because AI doesn't understand you well. So आप कुछ आपने एक line बोल दिया तो कर दिया. It will not, the outcomes will be not right, but it will do it. So Gmail एक हुआ, but it could be anything कि can you get the price of, I don't know, HDFC Bank and send that price to my broker and then ask him what could be the, and then have a check whenever he respond you back after 2 hours, remind me back. Now it's a chaining of multiple actions. It will first go to Perplexity or Google to get the price, then ask your broker, should I buy or not, and then set a reminder after 2 hours I need to check if that your investment person has like gotten back at you or not. And when it get back and you're gonna, so these are the workflows which are not possible in tech. With Bindi you can do all this. It actually execute on your behalf.
Okay, so let's make use cases by use cases. Okay. I love this. I'm gonna make sure that by the end of this podcast लोगों के पास 10-12 use cases हों जो अपनी लाइफ में यूज कर सकते हैं. Right? One of the first use cases, let's see, अगर कोई ये podcast देख रहा है, क्योंकि इंडिया में ट्रैवल बहुत बढ़ रहा है. Right? वो AI यूज़ करके बिंडी AI पे जाके अपने ट्रैवल एजेंट को रिप्लेस कैसे कर सकते हैं, ये बताओ। ओके, क्या मैं प्रॉम्प्ट डालूँ ताकि मैं उस पे जाके ट्रैवल एजेंट को रिप्लेस कर दूँ? हाउ, व्हाट इज़ माई, आई एम गिविंग अ प्रॉब्लम। सो प्रॉब्लम इज, आज मुझे ये प्लान करना है कि मैं दिवाली की छुट्टी पे घर वालों के साथ 4 लोगों के साथ छुट्टी पे जाना चाहता हूँ। मेरा बजट है मान लो 1 लाख रुपए। 1 लाख रुपए में मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि मैं इंडिया में जा सकता हूँ कि बाहर जा सकता हूँ। फिर मैं इंडिया में कहाँ कहाँ जा सकता हूँ, बाहर कहाँ कहाँ जा सकता हूँ। उसके बाद जब भी अगर मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि चलो मैं दुबई ट्रिप पे जा रहा हूँ, तो दुबई जाने का चीपेस्ट फ्लाइट कौन सी है, चीपेस्ट फ्लाइट के बाद वहाँ पे अच्छा स्टे कौन सा है, अच्छा स्टे का चीपेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म कौन सा है। इतने सारे जैसे मेक माई ट्रिप, यात्रा, क्लियर ट्रिप, ईज माई ट्रिप, इन सबसे मैं कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म से सबसे सस्ती प्राइस निकल जाए मुझे, उससे मैं अपना सबसे सस्ता होटल बुक कर लूँ, वहाँ की मेरी टैक्सीज बुक हो जाए, मेरा वीज़ा सॉर्ट हो जाए एंड मैं वहाँ से आने की रिटर्न फ्लाइट भी हो जाए। एंड टू एंड मेरा पूरा एक ट्रैवल आइटनरी, ट्रैवल बुकिंग्स बन जाए और इंटरनेट पे सबसे सस्ती अच्छी प्राइस पे बन जाए। एंड अगर इंटरनेट पे कोई कूपन्स और पर्टिकुलरली स्पेसिफिकली
हो तो उसको अप्लाई
कोई कूपन्स मिल जाए, कोई स्पेसिफिक ऐसे वाउचर्स हैं, कोई मिल जाए मुझे इंटरनेट पे ढूंढ के, ताकि मैं थोड़ा अप्लाई करके और 10-15% कर लूँ। एंड कौन से कार्ड से, कौन से क्रेडिट कार्ड से, कौन से पेमेंट मेथड से मैं करूँ, वो भी हो जाए।
हाँ, इसमें
ऑल ऑफ दिस एंड टू एंड, हाउ कैन आई मेक अ वर्क फ्लो और अ ट्रैवल एजेंट टाइप का फ्लो ऑन विंडी?
या इट्स मोस्टली वर्ड्स। बेसिकली आप उससे सिर्फ शब्दों में बात करोगे, लाइक यू आर एडिंग वर्ड्स टू वर्ड, सेंटेंस टू सेंटेंस, एज डिस्क्रिप्टिव एज पॉसिबल। हाँ, तो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन ले लेगा सब कुछ, और एक हमारे अभी जो भी एजेंट्स है फ्लाइट के, या फिर गूगल सर्च या परप्लेक्सिटी सर्च, उससे वो पता भी लगा लेगा। इनफैक्ट इट कैन ऑल्सो मूव अहेड एंड गिव यू एन आइटिनरी व्हेन यू गो देयर, आप कौन कौन से जगह जा सकते हो, कैफे जा सकते हो, जो भी है। इट विल प्लान आउट ऑल बेस्ड ऑन योर प्रॉम्प्ट, हाउ वेल यू आर डिफाइनिंग इट। आई मीन इनपुट्स आर सो बेटर, लाइक आपने क्या क्या स्टार्टिंग में बोला है। द ओनली प्लेस it, I think the current AI systems in general fails is the financial transaction, because the platforms doesn't open up their APIs to make the payments. That's also solving, but I think majority of the problem, it will actually build it. The real key here is how better you can talk to AI, how descriptive you are when you talk.
How do we do that? Let's say Bindi, can we get a laptop and do it?
Yeah, I mean, it's similar UX wise, it's similar like ChatGPT.
Can we open it right now and write a prompt? मैंने जो आपको बोला वो prompt में लिख के कर सकते हो अभी?
हाँ, कर सकते हैं पूरा। Like,
should we do it?
Yeah, we can.
It'll be incredible. People will love it.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you give me my expert book?
So I want to plan a travel. Let's start with some work first.
Okay. You want to start with some work?
Yeah. Tell me what you want to do.
Okay. Let's say मैं एक
ऐसा बताना,
मैं एक entrepreneur हूँ और मेरे पास रोज सुबह हजारों ईमेल आते हैं। मुझे ईमेल्स, अब रोज़ वो ईमेल में से कौन सा रेलेवेंट है, कौन सा इररेलेवेंट है, कौन सा मैं सालों पहले डाल चुका हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता। तो आधे तो मेरे स्पैम है, आधे मेरे काम के, और आधे मेरे काम के ऐसे हैं जिसमें मुझे इंस्टेंट रिप्लाई करना है, और आधे ऐसे हैं जो नहीं करना अभी रिप्लाई, वो प्रॉब्लली मेरी टीम रिप्लाई कर लेगी। इट्स ओके। तो मैं सबको सॉर्ट कैसे करूँ एवरी मॉर्निंग, सो दैट 5 मिनट में मेरा काम हो जाए, मुझे आधा घंटा 1 घंटा रोज ईमेल पे ना निकालना पड़े।
ओके, कैन यू चेक आउट माई ईमेल इनबॉक्स and archive all the emails with subject starting with, let's say, invitations. These are like your calendar invite.
Okay.
You know, so you probably don't want those things in your inbox because it's already, you can see in a calendar.
Okay.
First thing, it will just ask you to connect the Gmail. So you double tap it, connect, and then it will check your inbox, and then it will actually archive it. Simple. Done. But it checked the email, there is no email. What I can do, I can ask it to send an email to, hey, can you send a random email to this email? In the subject, start it with title invitations, and send 3 emails to this email in the screenshot. So it's quite smooth in that terms. You can just vocally talk and it will do. So every task आप देख रहे हो, like कुछ भी आ रहा है, I'm just talking to it. I'm not opening Gmail. I'm not opening our admin panel to add your subscription. everything is all automated. And मैंने email type भी नहीं किया है, फोटो देके बोल दिया कि करो. Send. So अब ये करते हैं try again. ठीक है, इसने 3 email भेज दिया है. So this system okay, it found the email that I sent. It had sent over 3 random emails. And it will archive. So now this is a process where it will ask, because but you can also go YOLO mode. And it will actually not ask on the fly. Okay, archived. And now if you go to the Gmail, it had already, you received an email, you will see a blank inbox, but you received an email in archive too.
Yeah.
Done.
Nice. Okay, so सारे irrelevant mails वो archive कर देगा.
Yeah, I mean depends. मैंने तो invitations को रखा है क्योंकि my calendar is full and I receive like 40 emails a day. So I was like, okay, archive everything. I don't want to see those emails. I will check my calendar directly. Okay. You can say anything with marketing, anything. So this is my workflow, but you can have your own workflow.
Yeah.
So AI can work as a filtering system here.
Okay. Give me another use case, workflow में.
I want to travel to Dubai and my budget is 1 lakh rupees. Can you make sure to plan an 18 for the same with flights and hotels included? Also suggest some cafes nearby hotel. I love downtown. And go in depth. And now one thing that works best, I mean it sounds very funny, but when you really ask AI to think hard, it does think hard. Like
really?
Go in depth, think hard, use these words, think hard, and go extra length, you know.
So if we use these words, it actually gives you better answers.
Yeah, it gives better answer, which is I mean I think that's how they are trained. They use these words to actually expedite their like go extra length to actually do the research. Don't stop. I do a lot of these things when.
And this one is built on ChatGPT's. Like what's?
So we use a multiple system.
What is the
Sonnet.
base LLM?
So Sonnet for some, Claude Sonnet for some element, and ChatGPT for background tasks.
Okay.
So once the chat happens, there's a lot of background processing happens.
So Claude and GPT you use
ChatGPT.
for both.
It would do something. The only worry is like the financial transactions are not that proper. So I did everything: Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps, Gemini Pro Sequential Thinking for thinking hard, Perplexity. So
showing me क्या scan कर लिया.
Now you can just enter to confirm, or you can just switch on the YOLO mode from it. It will not ask you next. So it's thinking hard now.
Okay, इसने बता दिया city, Dubai from Delhi, outbound, return date.
Yeah, one of the fascinating things when it don't do the job right, you just actually go angry. Like, hey, you are so dumb. Why didn't you ask me the dates I'm gonna go? And it actually next time it think more better. I mean, the navigation of the thinking gets better.
Oh,
so. Now, this is the one-off. You can even ask it like, give more prompt, like, hey, don't only search in one direction. Maybe also try other places. It's also searching maps for the cafes, because I mentioned like you can also search for the cafes.
But why is it asking me to confirm again?
Yeah, I think we need to check something. Maybe this works when you start the chat. Okay. I switched it in between, right? So when you start the chat, you need to switch it. Otherwise, the chat only goes into normal mode.
Got it. With a newer prompt, then it will be YOLO.
Yeah, it will be YOLO. So you need to set it up at the start. But it's quite nice. And now we can see this system at scale. When it's system at scale, you don't. Why I even need to check all this? अभी हमें fascinating लग रहा है तो क्यों है कैसे किया है? But at the end, I will just do it and I will wait for ऑन मोबाइल तो और अच्छा होता है, व्हेन यू पुट इट एंड यू फॉरगेट इट, बाद में आपको एक नोटिफिकेशन आता है जब पूरा प्रोसेस हो जाए कि दिस इज द बेस्ट फ्लाइट एट दिस टाइम एंड यू बजट लाइक एवरीथिंग. सो इतना करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, लाइक यू डोंट.
So let's say forget this, अगर फोन से हम करें and let's say a small business owner wants to create bills और एक अच्छा सा बिल बना के एक अपने okay here's a problem. Okay, मैं एक बिजनेस ओनर हूँ, मुझे बिल जनरेट करना है, मुझे 50,000 रुपये किसी इंसान से लेने, मान लो XYZ, उसे बिल बना के दूंगा मैं, बिल एक प्रॉपरली PDF टाइप बन जाए एंड मुझे ये हर 24 आवर्स में मेरे फ़ोन पे रिमाइंडर भेजे कि वो पैसे आ गए कि नहीं आ गए, ये चेक कर लो.
ठीक है.
कैन वी डू दिस?
Totally, very easy. Hey, so can you issue an invoice to Raj Shamani and reply to the above email for receiving 50,000 rupees and set up a scheduler every 9 p.m. If he haven't replied to the email, and stop the scheduler once he replied. So keep reminding him like this is the invoice and it's to be paid, and send an email to the above email that you had sent the random emails to. Issue the invoice, make it fancy, make it clear. If you are confused, stop, ask me. Don't make any dumb decisions.
Okay. Let's see.
It's gonna do. It's totally like it's. I think this is one of the easiest. I was still confused about this because they're like 5 apps, but it still did it, which is quite nice. So it asking me question because I asked you to. Actually, you can take your call. You know me better. Okay. Okay. Added an invoice gen agent. Creating an invoice. And then it will just simply send it. So another best part, when there is an error, it actually changes the trajectory. कि ये नहीं चल रहा तो let's try this now. Now, and this is good because that's how humans operate. They make mistake and then they get better. So this is one of the example. It actually did the job, but there's an error beforehand. It also set up a scheduler every 9 p.m.
Yeah.
It's gonna send you an email reply to that test email and remind you every day. And send it to that email that I mentioned before. Let's see if you received the email. Okay, received. Done. But it doesn't have the PDF attachment, whatever. Hey, did you send the PDF attachment? I don't think you have. But done.
We have it.
Yep, done.
So ये आ गया PDF and this is my invoice.
Yeah. I mean, I can ask you to do more stuff at the fast.
Yeah, but this is like the easiest,
fast, and I
quick I've gotten it. तो मैं directly invoice बना सकता हूँ just on phone and मैं भेज सकता हूँ.
On the fly. I'm just talking to you and I can on the fly dump the voice. So this systems at scale is gonna make the whole layer of business and work invisible, in other words. You don't have to work now. There will be systems which are listening you and me all the time. And I said, okay, I will use an invoice. It already did.
Isn't it scary?
It's scary, but it's a new world. We gotta, that's why I'm saying we are underestimating the way the world is changing in a complete, like it's dramatically very changing. And it's gonna be way different than how internet changed the world. I think one of the biggest use case of this industry is going to be dating.
Okay, how? Tell me. AI dating में कैसे use it?
So now you don't, basically people are swipe fatigue, like they have to swipe a lot, right? Now this AI systems can find you one date per week and you can go on that per week date and you haven't even went through the filtering process. AI ने अपना सब कुछ पता लगा लिया है. They know you, and the AI systems are talking to other AI systems and they figured out, okay, this could be the right match, and they matched us and we went out. So this is a big case, and it can make sure you don't have to like swipe hundreds of profile. You can just have one date per week and just go and figure out and give me feedback. Based on the feedback, the system will evolve more, and then it can find much better. So this is a very big industry, I think, and it's very, very, very very visible. This is going to happen. Meta did launch some like a pilot app around this week, so something's gonna change.
So dating. So somebody who knows you will be able to find someone will be exactly compatible to you.
Totally. So it's gonna optimize that process.
But isn't that dating में ऐसा होता है that you usually end up falling for someone who's not compatible?
I mean, ideally that's how it should be, but I think the world is a bit different.
Or maybe when you go for a compatible date, then you tell your AI ki, bro, this didn't work because of this. I didn't find it exciting. Find me something exciting. And the next week matches you extremely opposite.
Yeah. And next week it will evolve and you get something else. So it's going to optimize that process. And I think it's a very big industry.
Do you think log date karna hi band kar denge? Because artificial intimacy will become so high.
High possibility because अब humans के साथ, I mean, people want convenience. And when this AI systems understands you so better, then they will make sure you stay happy or you are satisfied properly.
Yeah.
And with robotics, and there's like a big market in robotics around just like building humanoids and a lot of things in China and even other places. And with consciousness in that, I think where it's heading is also a bit dangerous territory in terms of like extinction event of humans. Very high possibility. I mean, people are worried about this, that it can extinct human because it will dilute the human connection as well. You are mostly talking to AI persona who understands you best.
Don't you think then the biggest businesses will be built जो community बनाएंगे, जो लोगों को real world में मिलाएंगे?
Ultimately depends what we want. I mean, there will be a good fraction of people who want this, like who want to be more connected with humans. But a big population is also like retarded. Like they don't